Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening o anong oras nung napanood ang ating video. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. This is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. And our topic for today is about chain rule. One method for determining the derivative of composite functions is the chain rule. Consider the function f and g given by y equals f of u and u equals g of x respectively. In this case, y depends in u and u depends on x. So, nakita natin that a function x, nandun sa loob niya is another functions. Okay, so kapag ganon, makita natin medyo complicated, but titingnan natin how chain rule is useful in this kind of problem. So, chain rule, if y is a differentiable function of u given by y equals f of u, and if u is differentiable function of x given by u equals g of x, then y is differentiable function of x and dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Okay? So, yun po yung formula ng ating chain rule. Right? So we have to find first, to solve dy dx or the derivative of y, we have to solve derivative of y in terms of u times the derivative of u in terms of x. Now we have here an example. Find the derivative dy dx if y equals 2 times u to the fifth, where u equals 4x cubed minus 6. So we have to find dy du. So dy du is equal to the derivative of 2u to the fifth, and this is a power rule. So based on our formula in the power rule, so ito po ang mangyayari. So the derivative is 2, the constant, times 5 yung ating power, times u raised to 4, since 5 minus 1. Okay? So, therefore, the dy du is equal to 10 u to the fourth. Next, we have to solve du dx. So, ang given kasing u natin ay 4x cubed minus 6. So, the derivative of that function, okay, is yung derivative ng 4x squared, 4x cubed ay 4 as a constant times 3 times x squared. Okay? Minus ang derivative ng 6 ay 0. Okay? So, that is 4 times 3x squared. And that is equal to 12x squared. Okay? Now, to find dy dx, so para makuha na natin ang ating dy dx, this is our chain rule, multiply lang natin ang dy du times du with respect to x, no? So, ang atin pong dy over du is equal to 10 u to the fourth, and that is 10 u to the fourth times 12x squared. Since u equals 4x cubed minus 6, so substitute natin po dito sa u. So, that is dy dx equal 10 times 4x cubed minus 6 raised to 4 times 12x squared. So, our final answer is 120x squared times 4x cubed minus 6 raised to 4. So, this is now the derivative of the function using the chain rule. Okay, we have example number 2. Find the derivative dy dx if y equals 4 times the square root of u squared minus 1, where u equals 4 times square root of x. So, our y, yung ating y, ang gagawin natin, yung radical, i-convert natin into a fractional exponent para magamit natin ang power rule. Okay? So, now the derivative, okay, this a u to the n or the power rule, no? So, the constant 4 times the derivative of u squared minus 1 raised to 1 half, okay, with respect to u. So, ang magiging sagot natin, 4, this 1 half times u squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half times the derivative of u squared minus 1. Kaya, ang lalabas po ay itong 4, ano po natin yung 4 divide 2. So magiging 2u squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half times 2u. Okay? And then, the derivative of y with respect to u, that is 4u times u squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Okay. Next, we have to find the derivative of u with respect to x. So that is the derivative of 4x raised to 1 half. O kasi ang atin pong u ay 4 times square root of x. So ang ano po dyan, derivative ay 4 times 1 half raised times x raised to negative 1 half. Ang du dx natin ay 2x raised to negative 1 half. Okay, so using our chain rule, kaya dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Okay, so ang ating dy du ay 4u times u squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Ang du dx natin ay 2x raised to negative 1 half. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay 8u kasi itong 2u times natin dito sa 2, so naging 8. Kaya 8u times u squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half times x minus raised to negative 1 half. Okay? So, ito na yung kanina. Ito na yung sagot natin kanina. Then, we have to substitute u. Ang u natin ay 4 times x raised to 1 half. Okay? So, nung sinasubstitute na natin, so ito na yung naging kalabasan. 8 times u, 8 times 4 times x raised to 1 half times the quantity of 4 times x raised to 1 half quantity squared minus 1 raised to quantity negative 1 half, itong lahat ito, times x raised to negative 1 half. So, ang nangyari, 8 times 4 ay 32. Tapos, x raised to 1 half times x raised to negative 1 half ay magiging x to 0. So, nagiging 1. So, tapos itong nasa bracket, nasa loob ng bracket, 4 times x raised to 1 half square. So, magiging 16. X raised to 1 half times x raised to 1 half magiging 1 na lang. So, kaya naging 16x minus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Okay, so simplify pa natin. Magiging 32 over the square root of 16x minus 1. So, yun po yung ating final answer. Okay, so we have the activity here. Find the derivatives of the functions of the following using the chain rule. Alright? So, ayan po yung given natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching. And I hope you learned from this video lesson. God bless you. Good luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat.